Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking. All right, today I want to talk to you about something that we rarely talk about, which are all the reasons that you should not invest in real estate syndications. And so I've come up with the top 4 reasons why you should absolutely not invest in syndications, because they're not for everyone. So here are the top 4 in no particular order. Okay, first, illiquidity. Illiquidity means you can't pull your money out. When you invest in a real estate syndication or a group investment like this, you can't just willy-nilly pull your money out because you're investing with a group. There are sometimes hundreds of other people who are all putting their money together to buy an asset like an apartment building. So it's not like investing in the stock market or a mutual fund where you can say, I think I need my money back in the next few days, so I'm going to sell my stocks and pull my money out. And it's definitely not like a checking or savings account where at any time you can pull your money out, move it somewhere, give it to somebody. It's not like that at all. So when you invest in a syndication, that money is illiquid for the length of that investment, which is often around 5 years. So you have to be comfortable having your money in the investment for 5 years, which is a long time. So that's the first reason not to invest in a syndication. Okay. Number 2, the second reason you should not invest is because there's a high minimum. A lot of these syndications, most of the ones that we do, have a minimum investment of $50,000, which to anyone is a lot of money. And so if you don't have $50,000 lying around, or you're going to need that money for a kitchen renovation or your kids going off to college in the next year or so, then definitely do not invest that money in a syndication. Okay. Number three, the third reason that you should not invest in a real estate syndication is it's way different than investing in a rental property. Most people, when they think about investing in real estate, they think about rental properties. You buy a single family home, you rent it out, and every month you get those rental income checks, right? But investing in a real estate syndication is way different. It's an entirely different process. And so it's not immediately intuitive. It's gonna take some time for you to learn all the ins and outs and the risks and all this stuff. So it's very different. So for that reason, there's another one why you shouldn't invest in real estate syndications is it'll take time to learn the process because it's very different from investing in rental properties. And the number 4 reason not to invest in a real estate syndication is because you won't have control over the investment. Now, if you're the type of person who likes to make those strategic decisions, likes to have their finger on the pulse of everything that's going on with an investment, absolutely do not invest in a real estate syndication, because as a passive investor, you're really going to be taking a back seat. So you're not going to be able to make those day-to-day decisions. You're not going to be on those phone calls with the property manager. You won't get those phone calls from tenants or be able to screen those tenant applications. In fact, you won't even get a vote. You have to put all of your trust into the sponsor team, the operator team who's going to be running the asset day to day. And so those are my top 4 reasons not to invest in a real estate syndication. Your money's going to be illiquid. You're not going to be able to pull it out. You got to invest a lot of money to get into it. It's going to be a very different process from what people traditionally think of as real estate investing. And you're going to have to put your trust in other people. So if those sound like deal breakers for you, stay away. Real estate syndications are definitely not for everyone. And so that's why I wanted to share these top 4 reasons not to invest in a real estate syndication. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, have a sunny side up day.